All right, you guys, so I'm back with the update on these loose braids. I've been bumming it with the bun. If it's not in the bun, I've been doing a swoop with the ponytail, you know? Yeah. So I did my hair, let's see. When did I first start them? And I started them on February 5th. Dang, it's been that long? Say what? So it's been 2 weeks and 3 days. Check me out. 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, day 17. All right, day 17 with these braids. I love my bracelet. I'm gonna stop talking about it one day. But listen, so I am ready to wash them. Curls are still here. I haven't washed it or anything, so I'm gonna wash it today. And here's an update on the curls up close. Here go my roots. The only thing I can say about this hair and the way that I installed it is that like some of the pieces sticking up. It wasn't sticking up at first, but I have noticed as time go on, I have to cut that off. So yeah, that's the only con. The curls are giving. I love this style. Oh my God. Y'all get compliments everywhere I go. Everywhere. And I did want to let my hair air dry, but I'm not. I'm just going to blow dry it because I gotta go. I need to leave here. What is it? 3:37. I need to leave here about 4:30. So I got about an hour to wash and dry my hair. Oh yeah, and my nails, they're still gorgeous. They're starting to look a mess, but I love them. Now let me go wash my hair. All right, as you seen, the curl pattern did change, so let's see what it looked like. Yeah, just how I expected. It turned into a wave, just as I expected. But you see, this is still pretty. Very, very pretty. And I mean, at the end of the day, the hair is called loose wave, so you start off with a loose curl, and if you wash it, it's gonna turn into a wave. But at least now you know what to expect, just in case you know you want to wear this hair for a vacation and you plan on getting in some water, whatnot. But I can say my scalp feels really good. The curls was cute while they lasted. They were in for 17 days. You know. Because I just washed my hair, I'm going with a little bit of my hair oil, not too much. Don't want to weigh it back down. Just to put on my scalpiana. Do a little bit of hair cream as well, because I just washed my hair. I need it extra super duper dry. Just trying to put it on my braids. Trying not to put it on the actual human hair. Yeah, now I will go ahead and blow dry it, and I did attach my diffuser so I can, you know, try to keep that little bit of curl I can. Wait a minute, is the curl trying to come back through? Okay. So it is a little bit more of a curl than a wave. So it's like in between being a curl and a wave. Real cute. I wasn't expecting for it to be like this after seeing it like this. Like, girl. So many options with this hair. You choose. The spiral curl, how I had it at first, or in between a wave and a curl. That's cool. And I did swoop my edges. I am going to pin it back. Do me two little twists right quick. And this is how I will wear my hair today. You know. It's so soft and it's like really, really fluffy too. I love that. You see the curls. This side I used the diffuser on, this side I didn't. They look about the same. During the drying process, it did fool me. Had me fooled. But look at that, looks so good. So this is what you can expect if you do get this loose wave hair. You know, if you wash it or whatever. And if you do not want to wash your braids and you want to keep that curl, just get you some dry shampoo, how I did the first time. What? Where did my bear go? When did you fall off? The nails, they tired. The nails are tired. My nails probably going on 11 days that I've had my nails on. I don't know what happened to that. I need to go find it. Maybe it came off when I was washing my hair. Because, girl, these are press-ons. And I also put one on my big toe. If you want to see a nail video, click the link down below. But like I said, get you some dry shampoo and spray it on your hair if you don't want to wash it and lose that curl, you know. Or at least at the beginning of you wearing the style, how I did, you know, 2.5 weeks with the curls, and I washed my hair, and now your girl got some cute curly waves. So one more recap. This is day 17 of me having my braids. This is Ywigs loose wave human bulk hair. Took me 14 hours total to braid my hair. I did it over the course of 3 days. You can definitely leave this hair in a month, 2 months, 3 months, girl, whatever. Just wash it. It's human hair. I love this hair. I'll probably keep it in like another week, but yeah. Click the link down below to watch the video on how I installed these braids if you haven't seen that already. Y'all, I honestly do not know which texture I love more. I thought the curls was eating, but this wavy texture is so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I'm actually ready to wrap my hair up for the night. I have a scarf, some pantyhose, and I cut the toe part off the bottom. Boom. This way works like a charm. It's perfect for my human hair. And that's it. Go to bed. Guys, leave me a comment down below if you have any other questions that I did not answer, and I'll be sure to answer those for you. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, that's it.